Okay, so we're back with this and doing a little bit of sanding. As I mentioned before, it doesn't matter what you can see, it's what you can feel. I cannot feel any difference. A little bit there. Got some 600 grit. Little block, you don't want a big block on this. Now that's right down, so a little bit of nail varnish in there. You'll just put a little drop, so you don't, if you put filler on it can chip and have to prepare it and far too much work. So I'll move over to where I've done some nail varnish before. Some people do this wet, some people do it dry. It's what you prefer, but I prefer doing it dry because I think you have a better chance of actually seeing what's going on. You put water everywhere, you don't necessarily have it. Still plenty on there, so don't just go around. Go in circles so you don't get in the lines that you'll have to take out immediately. You can just do a little bit and then carry on. You'll have a little bit of stuff that actually takes the don't be afraid to, you say, go over, because it's all going to have to be done anyway. Fold it over. Too big a block makes hard work later on. Of course, if I do this properly and had a bit of big enough bit of wet and dry, it will go a lot smoother. But so much for actually trying to save a little bit of money. I'll sol it. If I have to go and get some more, which I probably will have to, it's only about a 40-yard walk, maybe less than that. So that's smooth. Actually, it needs to come down a little bit more. Do you get the idea? Obviously, well, hopefully. Got 600 here, as I say. It's going to take longer, but overall, not quite so much work. Right, we're going to have to fill this bit in a bit more, and this bit here as well, here and over here. So it's no real point in taking all this away. And that's where I think a crack may have been. Hope you can pick this up okay. It does take some time to harden up. Yeah, I got a few funny looks when I went to Debenhams to pick this up. I haven't got the hair to be a goth. I used to have quite a lot of hair, but there's not enough room for hair and brains. It's going to give me a little bit more time to do some like dreaded thing called work. But you don't want to put too much on at the same time. it won't dry as well as it will do if you kind of build the layers up. Well, this is what I've found anyway. I'm not giving you advice, I'm just saying how I do it. Oh dear. Well, I think you get the general idea. And it's for me to carry on researching 1st century Roman politics under the reign of Claudius. You can read the book when it comes out. I will no doubt give you the ISBN number. So I did have one out last year, but when I went back to editing, I thought, no, this is rubbish. I took it off sale and completely rewriting. Well, I suppose that is it for now. Nail. It's for nail. Oh, please yourselves. And that's about it for the moment. Till next time, drink beer.